Words like and, but, and so are conjunctions that join words together. Peck is on the branch, but Aloe is on the ground. Peck is on the branch, and Aloe is on the branch with him. Aloe fell off the branch, so Peck also fell down. Drag the right conjunction to the sentence, we hop. Rhea plays with the bug. But you made the sentence, we hop, but Rhea plays with the bug. Nice work! Drag the right conjunction to the sentence, Sandy. Aloe have popcorn. You made the sentence, Sandy and Aloe have popcorn. Yay! Drag the right conjunction to the sentence, Sandy found her pen. She is happy. You made the sentence, Sandy found her pen. So, she is happy. Great! Drag the right conjunction to the sentence, Peck is sad. The cake melted. You made the sentence, Peck is sad because the cake melted. Super! Drag the right conjunction to the sentence, Peck. Aloe get into the cab. But, and, or. And, you made the sentence, Peck. And Aloe get into the cab. Nice! Drag the right conjunction to the sentence, Rhea's bug is not by the jam. Ham. But, or, because Rhea bug is not by the jam. But, oops, this says Rhea's bug is not by the jam, but ham. This should say Rhea's bug is not by the jam or ham. Thanks for reading.